Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. So a bit of a different video from me today. Rather than a cooking video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own bread proofer. Now you may ask why, and that's quite a reasonable question, but it is quite simple. Now I'm getting more and more into making bread, whether that be potato bread for platters or rolls for burgers, and I want to show you how you can make all of those from scratch. So a bread proofer is essentially a heated box, and it helps the yeast and the fermentation process in your dough. Now you can cover the bowl and you can put it in a warm place, but I find that never works. I get rubbish results when I do that. But when I looked online, you can easily spend £100 on a bread proofer, and I'm a bit tight, so I don't really want to do that. So I thought I would see if I could make one for less, and I would show you how to do it. So I'm quickly going to run through the stuff that I've got. So you can see I've got a plastic box here. Most importantly, it's got a lid that locks clear so I can see through it and see what's happening. The second thing I've got is this. So this is a seed mat. It's to help germination of seeds. I got this from Amazon. Again, I'll leave a link down in the description so you can get yourself one of these, and this cost me 15 quid. So you know, that's it. That's pretty much all the money you're really going to need to spend. Now the nice thing about this one is that it's got a temperature control, so when you turn it on, you just put it up or down and it just sits at that temperature, and then you kind of got an ambient temperature inside the box. So the other things I've got is a drill. I don't know the right term for this. If you do know the right term for this drill bit, let me know down in the comments. But essentially, I know it's for wood, but basically that 12 size drill bit is about the same size as the cable. Then I've got a carpenter's triangle. Again, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's what it's called, a carpenter's triangle. This is going to help me draw straight lines. I've got some duct tape. I couldn't find my thicker duct tape, so I'll use this, and I'll just use a little bit more of it. And then I've got a blade, and I've got one that's got a Stanley blade on it as well, because I just want to cut through nice and thin, and that hopefully should do the trick. And that's it. That's all you need. I quite like it. I'm quite having fun here. Hopefully you will as well. But yeah, if you do like this video, please just think about subscribing to the channel. Like I say, it's not my normal videos. Go and check them out. They've got loads on there about outdoor cooking. And like I say, please give the old thumbs up and subscribe. Appreciate it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take the lid off, because I need that for the time being. And then about here, like not the way down the bottom, but about maybe an inch up, I'm just going to put a hole straight in the middle. There you go. So you've got that nice hole, and that cable will fit nicely through that. Then I'm going to get my square. Now the reason I want to cut a hole in it is basically I want to be able to feed that plug through it and then seal it up afterwards. So I don't want to cut a massive hole. So I'm using that as a bottom where it's going to go through, and then in terms of height, about that. I'm not going to be able to show you this particularly easy, so I'm going to cut this and then I'll come back. Okay, so I cut the hole, but my hand slipped and I've broken that bit, but it's not the end of the world, we'll fix it. But essentially made that a little flat, which hopefully it's kind of wide enough you can get that through. So time to poke this. Okay, so now I've got the plug through. I need to get the controller through as well. There we go. Right, and then time to seal it up. Now, even though we've broken that a little bit there, this duct tape's easily going to seal that up, so it's not really a problem. Just try and be a little bit careful. I'd say you don't want to slip and cut yourself. That's more the important thing. There we go. So you can see it's all nice and sealed up. It looks very much like a DIY job, but I'm alright with that. I don't have a problem with that. I'm quite happy with it. And that's it. Heat mat's in. You can see that. It's all nice and in. It's a little bit longer than the actual box, but it's not too worried because I'm going to put the main thing here, so that's absolutely fine. There you go. So lid on. Job done. That's it. Nice and easy. Yeah, it's a bit of a DIY job on the end and I botched that. It probably was for me. You probably do a lot better job, to be quite honest. But essentially, we now have a bread proofer. It has cost me 20 quid rather than over £100, and it will do exactly the same job. Cheap as chips. Perfect. As far as I'm concerned, I'm happy with this. Let me know in the comments down below whether or not you decide to do this and whether or not there's any slight changes you would make. I'll be interested to know. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give it the old thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, and please check out my other videos on the channel. But until next time, take care of yourselves and I'll see you soon.